Krishna and Danavit Pranam, everyone. Thank you all for joining. So, today's topic is building a strong home for Krishna. First of all, I'm not talking about the materialistic home. Who are we to build anything for the Lord or give anything to Krishna? It's everything is Krishna's, and He's the owner of everything, and He's the creator of everything. I'm talking about, our heart where He resides, and He's in everything, in everyone. सो कृष्ण हमारे हृदय में भी है, हमारे हार्ट में भी है. एंड हाउ टू सो हमारा हार्ट कहीं ना कहीं इट्स लाइक अ होम फॉर कृष्णा. सो हाउ टू मेक आवर हार्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग. एंड हम अपने सोल के लिए केयर करते हैं by chanting. To take care of our heart, we should exercise properly, eat sattvic food, Krishna prasad, and be healthy, become healthy. Our health is like जितना healthy रहेंगे उतनी ज़्यादा सेवा कर पाएंगे, उतना ज़्यादा नामस्मरण कर पाएंगे. We can do so many services for the Lord. And not just that, but by keeping our heart healthy or building a strong home for Krishna is by making ourselves happy. And how can we be happy? We can be happy if the one who we love is happy. जैसे हम प्यार करते हैं वो अगर खुश है तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली हैप्पी हो जाएंगे. एंड हु डू वी लव द मोस्ट इज कृष्णा. So how to make Krishna happy? And by making Krishna happy, we can build a very strong home for Krishna, to stay in. And we can make Krishna happy by serving so many of his children, by chanting, by giving him love, reciprocating that love to him, being there should be determination to every day to choose Krishna over Maya Devi, and keep on pushing ourselves towards Krishna and passing that test, right? So there are many stories or pastimes, and I want to share a few that according, like, now I'm in this female body, so according to the Shastra, a woman can do so many services. Like if she's in this female body, she has so much to give Krishna and to go back to Krishna and to please Krishna. Of course, even in the male body there are different services, but specifically female, I want to talk that if you all heard about Savitri and Satyavan's pastime. So Savitri, she wanted to marry this prince, and she वो स्वीकारती है उन्हें as her husband, and she's a very pativrata stari and very loyal, very chaste, very devoted as a personality, as a human being. And after marriage, she understands her husband has only 1 year left. After that, he's going to leave his body. So she starts doing a lot of vrat, tap, everything in her power she can do. But still, one day, उनके जो husband रहते हैं उनका सब he has lost his wealth and kingdom and everything, and comes from a rich family, but still she doesn't care and she supports him. And they are living in this forest where he's cutting down some to build something. He's just making something out of a piece of wood, and वो करते करते he just leaves his body. And she gets devastated seeing him like that. And वो वट का जो झाड़ होता है वहाँ पे वो उनको लेके she really gets devastated and starts crying. And then Yamraj comes to Dharmraj, जो आते हैं उनकी बॉडी लेने के लिए. सोल लेने के लिए. And once he comes, he arrives, she's like, you know, I can't, you cannot take him from me. And she thinks that, okay, if I go behind Yamraj, probably he might uh, give him back to me. But she tries. इतने सारे वो hellish lokas रहता है जब जहाँ पे एक human being cannot even survive. She still goes through all those hurdles behind Yamraj, and who is taking him along with him, her husband along with him, and she goes behind them, and Yamraj is saying, how is she even surviving all of this, you know, this condition which is not even meant for a human body. And she still doesn't give up hope, and she goes through all those hurdles, and seeing her devotion and seeing her determination and seeing her willingness, her faith, her loyalty towards her husband, he is like, wow, she's so dedicated. She's going through so much pain. And then he is like, I'm very happy with your devotion. Okay, I can give you 3 वरदान. तो आप मांगे जो वरदान मांगना है आपको, मैं 3 वरदान पूरे करूँगा. तो पहले वो मांगती है कि मेरे जो इन-लॉज हैं उनके आँखें, they are not well, and the eyesight, they've lost their eyesight, please bring it back, and also bring their kingdom back, they've lost it. सो वो बोलते तथास्तु. सेकंड वो बोलती कि मेरे पेरेंट्स के लिए आप कुछ कीजिए. तो शी आस्क सेकंड, शी टेक्स हर विश, सेकंड विश फॉर हर पेरेंट्स. एंड देन थर्ड विश वो मांगती है कि आई वांट अ सन. सो वो बोलते तथास्तु. एंड शी इज़ लाइक, वेट, बट आई एम अ पतिव्रता स्त्री, विदाउट माई हस्बैंड, you cannot give me a son. So Yamraj is like, oh, I didn't think of that. So with her intellect, she, gets a boon from Yamraj, and for that he has to give his life back, bring her husband back to her. And they lived happily after that. And this story says that a woman has a lot of power, spiritual strength and spiritual powers, if used in the right consciousness, for her family, for everyone's well-being. She's like the spiritual backbone, can be a spiritual backbone to the family, molding her children, serving towards all the connections she has in her house. And we've seen so many saintly women who have done so much, sacrificed so much, and with that sacrifice, even if I think many of the human beings around her probably doesn't notice that sacrifice, but God notices it, and she gets accordingly. And I think वो जो स्त्री इतना सब कुछ कर रही है, शायद वो ज़्यादा सेवा कर रहे हैं. कृष्ण प्रसन्न होके भगवत प्राप्ति उनको जल्दी मिल जाएगी. इट इज़ नॉट ऑन अ मेल और अ फीमेल बॉडी. सोल डजंट हैव एनी जेंडर. It just sees your bhav, your service attitude, your purity in that service, and sacrifice, So she gets so many services to do towards Krishna, and it can all be towards Krishna if you make it Krishna conscious by adding Krishna to it, by serving all of them, by asking not for ourselves and for our family members, everyone around us. Krishna notices that who is in your heart and definitely becomes happy, and by doing that we can bring smile on Krishna's face and build a strong home, strong solid foundation of home for him. And this was a small pastime where I guess ऐसे बहुत सारे pastimes है, a woman has a lot of strength in her tapasya, her vrat, her prayers. She can just transform and become like by Krishna and Radharani's mercy, can get the power to build such beautiful souls and make them Krishna conscious. That's one of the biggest service to Krishna. So yeah, I mean, if done in the right uh, service attitude, she can go back to Krishna in this one lifetime, like just after this lifetime. So this was a small story which I wanted to share. And one more story is that, as you know, in the consultancy also I tell Matajis that, even I have a nephew. When he comes home, I try to put him more towards, Krishna Katha, and you can build like a small, everyone has altar in their house, and everyone has small puja ghars in their house, small mandir. So we can, do so many things for Krishna in our house. And of course, Krishna is the owner of our house. He's everything to us, so we have to celebrate everything with him. So make your children, part of this festival, or to make them do services. They can do small paper cuttings or decoration or something or the other. Like, we've planned a Nauka Vihar festival at home, and it's so beautiful that, we get to bring this small, create this small boat where Jagannath ji is going to be there, and they're going to have a beautiful, beautiful time. So why I personally like it when the family members join, especially the children. They love it so much. And if we feed all of this during their childhood, if we give so much love, I was hearing from a very senior devotee that if you give love to your children, that brings out their character and goodness, that brings out the goodness inside. And I have been, with my sister's son. There's so much energy in them. You just have to put that energy into Krishna consciousness or a God conscious thought, and feed that energy in a good direction, or put that energy in a good direction. And all they want is just love and attention, in that small age. And that's what mothers and Matajis who all are in Grihastashrams and our mothers can do, and can bring a smile on their face. And by seeing them happy, they are Krishna's children. Krishna is automatically happy. Maharaj is happy. Radharani is happy. So that's how we can build a strong home, a strong heart for Krishna, and go back to him. Small things, small innocent जो भाव रहता है, भाव के ऊपर ही सब कुछ है. एक story है, I was hearing from a devotee, and it's about a devotee. She was getting married. She was in that, शादी का घर है तो बहुत सारे काम रहते हैं, बहुत कुछ करना पड़ता है. There is many things we have to do. There's a list we have, and she was going through a lot, and वो frustration, और वो, she was a little upset that day. कुछ तो हुआ था, and she had a deity of Radharani and Krishna. तो वो Radharani को कुछ अपनेपन, अपनापन जो भाव रहता है, सब कुछ शेयर करते थे वो. एवरीथिंग, वॉट एवर हैपन्स, लाइक Radharani is everything for her, so she shared something. And that day she was upset. So उन्होंने कुछ कहा होगा कि Radharani आप क्या, I'm going through so much, you're just, not listening, or something or the other. In that upset mood, she just said, and she thought that Radharani is, just there listening, and वो कहते वो चले गए. But then Radharani, to reciprocate out of love, she turned like her neck towards that devotee. And वो टर्न किया हुआ वो नहीं देखा. वो इतने जल्दी में थे उस दिन कि वो चले गए, बाहर कुछ उनको काम था. तो रात को वो जब खुद के हाथ से उन Radharani को खिलाते थे, she noticed that her Radharani's neck is turned, and she realized that Radharani was turning to her when she was saying all of that, when she was sharing everything. So she was reciprocating, you know. And she felt so sad. She started crying, saying, Radharani, I'm sorry because I was just sharing it, and मुझे पता है आप बहुत प्यार करते हो, and I know you were, you know, you turned and you were listening, and प्लीज़ आप अपनी गर्दन ठीक कर दीजिए, वापस नॉर्मल हो जाइए, बिकॉज अदरवाइज यू नो आपकी गर्दन में थोड़ा मोच काइंड ऑफ, या you know you'll not feel good, you'll uh, you know it'll hurt you. So she was crying and crying, and after feeding Radharani you know prasad, भोग भोग दिखाने के बाद, लगाने के बाद, वो शयन का टाइम आ गया. तो शयन के टाइम पे शी वाज स्टिल लाइक दैट. सो राधा रानी के थोड़ा मसाज किया नेक एंड फीट, एंड यू नो शी वाज क्राइंग स्टिल, and she is like, please आप normal हो जाइए, it'll hurt you your neck like that. And then next day in the morning for Mangala Aarti, when she was up, Radharani's neck was back, you know, with like the front this thing, and she was all good. So you know, Krishna and Radharani, they are the creator of everything and everyone, and वो बस भाव है. वो राधा रानी को कुछ, you know, she is divine, and she is all powerful, but in front of the devotees think in that way that okay, कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, कुछ you know राधा रानी को hurt ना हो, राधा रानी को discomfort ना feel हो, राधा रानी को you know वो इतनी ये है कोमल है. But we know that Radha Rani is so powerful, but in front of the Vrajvasis, in front of the devotees, वो अपनेपन का भाव रहता है, you know. Of course they love and respect them a lot, but ये हमारे ordinary mindset and heart को नहीं समझ आएगा जो इतना divine भाव रहता है. We have to, and you know, make ourselves extremely purified to understand even such a small, we cannot say small, but a pastime or a story of Krishna, Radharani and his devotees. So yeah, all they want is love, and all they want for us to think of them. You know, they are just one thought away. You know, thinking about Krishna. कि हम लोग जब बाहर जाते हैं, हम सोचते हैं हमारे connections के बारे में कि अरे probably when we are, for an example, out for buying something for us, we are thinking, oh, you know, I think this color or kurti probably my mother will like, you know, my sister will like, my daughter will like. But do we think that this will look good for Radharani? This will look good on Krishna, and this, you know, do we think about them? You know, not a kurti, but when we are buying anything, you know, a jewelry, a jhumka, you know. So all this is just like about reciprocating your love, and I'm sure they reciprocated like 100 times more, you know. उनका प्यार है हमें, बस हम बस भूलते जा रहे हैं उन्हें. एंड वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी write a letter to them, talk to them, you know, and make our connection strong with Radharani and Krishna and Maharaj, and chant properly. Namasmaran is everything. If you're not chanting your rounds properly, distract होते हुए कर रहे हैं, quality of the rounds are getting क्या बोलूँ, डिग्रेड होते जा रहे हैं, देन प्योरिटी कैसे आएगी? और अगर प्योरिटी नहीं आएगी तो मन साफ नहीं होगा, स्वच्छ नहीं होगा, तो हम कैसे सर्विस अच्छे से कर पाएंगे? कैसे सब में भगवान को देख पाएंगे? कैसे काइंड हो पाएंगे, कंपैशनेट हो पाएंगे? कैसे हम सबको प्रेम दे पाएंगे? यू नो, लाइक सर्विस अच्छे से कर पाएंगे. सो वी हैव टू मेक आवर सेल्व्स प्योर, एंड टू गो बैक टू कृष्णा वी हैव टू बिकम लाइक 100% लाइक प्योर, राइट? सो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट आवर जर्नीज, एंड अगर स्टार्ट हुए हैं तो कंसिस्टेंसी बहुत ज़रूरी है, डिटर्मिनेशन बहुत ज़रूरी है. वी आर ऑल स्टक हियर, इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ आवर चॉइस, एंड we can only get back to Krishna, that is also by our choice. You know, Bhagavad Prapti किसी के भाग्य में नहीं लिखा रहता है. कुछ चीज़ें प्रारब्ध में है, बट नॉट एवरीथिंग. इट इज़ ऑल्सो आवर reactions, how we react, how much bhakti and sadhana we do, that's not written. It is your free will how much you can do in this lifetime, and how much you want to give your life to Krishna and surrender to Krishna and do things for Krishna and his devotees. You have a free will. So yes, Purushottam month is still going on. I hope that you are all offering a lamp to Krishna. घी का दिया होता है वो शाम को प्लीज़ चौराष्टकम के साथ ऑफ़र कीजिए. बहुत सारा इस महीने अगर आप दान कर पाए, गौ सेवा कर पाए, प्लीज़ डू दैट. And yeah, keep pushing each other towards Krishna, follow 4 regulative principles, and keep chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna.